Alright guys, this is it. We're about to leave Pemberton right now, which means we have to take the Duffy Highway. It's definitely the most treacherous road I've ever driven this time of year. I do not have chains this time, so we'll see how it goes.
Turn left onto British Columbia 99 North. Signs for Mount Currie, Woluwe. Take the next right to stay on British Columbia 99 North. Continue on British Columbia 99.
Alright, here we go guys. We're leaving the lake, heading up Duffy. I'm gonna pull over here and lock my hubs just to be safe. There's no snow right now, but I think we're gonna get right up into it. All right, a little bit nervous, but here we go. This thing is super steep and super twisted, so hopefully we don't run into snow before we get to the pass. Then we gotta get down the backside too. This camera probably is doing no justice for how steep this is, this grade. I don't know if you guys can see that, but the transmission's definitely starting to heat up from this climb. It usually runs like right around 120. Snow off the side of the road. It's snowing right now. We're still climbing. Starting to get a little bit slick. You can hear my tires slipping just a little bit. Hopefully it doesn't get any crazier up here. Knock on wood. Still got a lot of climbing to do. Tires are slipping a little bit. Oh boy, it is starting to get worse. Come on, Lewis, don't lose traction now. This is super slick. Doing all right though. She's in 4-wheel drive. Should be fine. If we can just get up this pass. Whew. Come on, girl. Come on. Whoa, 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 whoa. Up. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Don't lose it now, don't lose it now, don't lose it now. Oh, snap. Ooh, oh, man. Holy crap. You get over it just in case a car comes. It is so slick, y'all. Come on, girl. Come on, Bluis. Try to get a little speed for this turn. Come on. Go, 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 go. Oh, that's all I've got. Oh, is that a parking lot? Yes. Oh, whew. We made it. We made it to this parking lot. Holy crap, that was close. I am going to find myself a spot to park and call it a night. Even if there's more snow when I wake up, I do not want to do this in the dark anymore. So I'm stopping for the night. Call it right here. I am super relieved to have made it to where I just made it right now. I'm almost at the top of the pass, but this is the only guaranteed plowed parking lot. So I'm not even gonna chance it. I'm gonna stay right here because I do not want to drop down the backside of this pass in the dark like this. Even if there's more snow in the morning, I want to do it in the daylight. So that's the word. So let's go retreat to the cabin. And here we are, home sweet home. All right. Oh, yes. Feels good to be home for the night. Good night, world. Oh, let's get some heat going. It's chilly up here. I tell you what, there is nothing in the world like going to the back of your car into a cabin, a nice warm cozy cabin. So I got plenty of stuff to do, working on my latest edit right now, doing Imogene Pass, drinking some leftover eggnog, and I still have some leftover pecan pie I've been chipping at. So life is good. We'll see you guys in the morning where we will attempt to finish the pass and get down the worst part, but at least it'll be daylight. Good morning, everybody. We get some snow outside, but we're pressing on anyway. I'm gonna get a little bit of coffee going here and warm the 7.3 diesel up, and we're hitting the road. This stuff's pretty good. And mow down on some granola. All right, time to roll. Gotta get the diesel started. Whoa. It snowed last night a little bit. That's funny, I just realized I don't have any ice scrapers with me. Let it warm up for a while. Alright, this is it. We're gonna try to get up and over this pass and down towards Lillooet, which is probably gonna be really sketchy, but I don't have a choice. Beautiful day out. We're in four-wheel drive again. Ooh boy, here we go. It's cold. All right, old girl, you can do it. Just gonna go really slow. This highway is notorious for cars going off the road in the wintertime. Just really steep and twisted. We're not there, but once we start dropping down to Lillooet, this is super steep grade, so we're gonna just go really slow. This truck camper weighs a little over 10,000 pounds, so I do not want to give it the opportunity to break traction and start going. I'm so lucky. It's just an absolutely beautiful day out. It's just nice driving this pass when the weather's sunny and we can see what's going on, just to be safe. I didn't want to drive through this in the dark last night. I could have, but you guys saw it. I was already spinning out, getting sideways in the road. Here's the gates. Every now and then they actually shut this highway down. They don't even allow people to drive through once it gets bad enough. I want to do a little traction control test and just see how well these tires grip. So I'm going to slam my brake on here. Not too bad at all. That is so much better than my mud terrains I had on last year at the General Grabber X3s, which are awesome in the summer, but they're not made for snow. The tires I have on here now are Toyo AT3s. They're winter rated tires, so they're meant to drive in the snow and ice and all that stuff, but it's still rubber and ice no matter how you design it. So I'm driving along and just thinking, of what the road, living on the road, has made me grateful for. When you have a stationary place to call home, you develop relationships, long-lasting relationships with friends and significant others, and just with humans in general. There's something to be said for that. There's a lot of value in having close friendships and healthy relationships where you see each other a lot. And that's my favorite part about home. And the road teaches you that. So when you're on the road, you can hang out with friends, but you're always moving on to different areas and have different plans in them. And it's just really temporary. I suppose everything's temporary, but there's something to being said about being in one place and having just consistent contact with the same humans. It's pretty cool. And I'm really excited to see everyone when I get back. I'm ready. But we get to drive this dangerous highway first. Slow down. Ah! Slipping a little bit. We're all right though. All right. 4 trucks just passed me. In the back of each truck was a snow machine. I'm so excited to get home and do some riding. I'm stoked. Starting to change. Let's go ahead and get down before it starts snowing again. I think we're just about to the big sketchy downhill. High RPMs for a diesel, but we're using that gearing to help us get down here. Let me show you guys how slick it is really quick. Almost just busted my tail. Anyway, we're here at the place I've been dreading the whole time. We're up at Coyote Point and it's about to get really steep and really twisted. And this fog's moving in like crazy, so let's go ahead and get down. Here we go. Whew, sliding just a little bit. Going pretty slow, going under 20. Got it in my lowest gear. Still haven't used the brakes a good bit. Ooh, someone got stuck right here. Looks like they had to turn around. Well, my friends, all is well so far. The road's starting to turn more into ice than snow. We're getting down. And town of Lilloette's right down here. Woo! All right, let me pull over here. We're gonna unlock these hubs really quick. Take it out of 4-wheel drive. We made it. So that was the worst part of this part of the drive. We made it down the sketchy Duffy Highway. Not too bad. The day continues on into Lilloette and we still have 2,000 miles to drive. Remember, we're taking the Carissa Highway, so that is the most remote highway maybe in the entire country. So that's where we're going.